Hello everyone, I hope you had a wonderful week last week. Sorry I was missing in action. I realized there's a couple of new people joining us on this journey, so I just want to reintroduce myself. I'm Marley, I'm a homeschooling mom to 5 beautiful girls, and we live in the beautiful Western Cape in the Klein Karoo on a farm where we are renting a cottage currently, a small cottage of about 44 square meters, while we are renovating our farmhouse. So my plan for today is to grab some seeds and to start working on my garden. So because our timeline for the garden is a bit all over the place for the renovation as well due to finances, I am going to focus on planting everything that I can into containers, and I'm going to focus on planting herbs and flowers. Vegetables I can buy very cheaply at a nursery for about 30 cents to 1 rand per plant during September, so I'm not going to focus on that right now. For now, I am going to focus on getting herbs and flowers into pots for me to grow, just for the pleasure of it while we're waiting. Another thing is I am going to be walking to our storage facility. Like I say, currently we are living in a very small 33 square meter, 45 square meter house. So everything is in storage. It's a complete mess, as you can imagine. So let's go and sniffle around. Let's get my seeds in my pots and get this day going. So this is a complete mess. We moved from town out to this farm about 2.5, 3 months ago, and we are in the process of renovating that farmhouse. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up below, up or down below. And everything is all over the place. And then I also got gifted quite a lot of homestead related things from a wonderful friend of ours, and that is what I'm going through now. So we have some sort of rhyme and reason in here. I'm not always sure how much rhyme or reason there is, but we have a pretty good idea of what is where. But we have to keep everything away from the kids just to make sure everything is safe, but also we need to know where they are so we can get hold of it. So here I've got some plant food, I've got diatomaceous earth, I've got different bins to do planters in. So I really have everything that I need. So I'm on my way to what I'm calling the nursery, to just kind of shuffle a couple of plants around. I was blessed with so many beautiful plants, cacti in specific, that I can use in my garden. But since we're not there yet, I'm keeping everything in pots as to not having to water in 2 places. But they are all over the place. So I have to go and just organize it a little bit. It is in my neighbor's yard, so I'm not going to show too much of her personal space. I'll just show you the plants. And yeah, let's go and move some plants. Okay, I've got everything out of our storage facility. I'm sorry, I'm going to squint at you guys, I'm going to do this. But everything out of our storage facility. Now I need to go through and see what seeds I have. Once again, all of this was gifted to me, and it makes life a lot easier. So when I'm planning on a flower garden, and I'm planning on herbs for the first while. I am going to do some container vegetable gardening, but I will get those seedlings from a nursery close by where I can buy bulk in those. So let's see what seeds I get. I've made a couple of piles here. So at the moment I'm going to put away anything that is vegetables, and I'm keeping all the fruits and all the herbs, which is quite a big bunch. There are some seeds that I haven't opened yet, that are closed and that don't have names on them, so I'll have to open those still and go from there. But I'm going to try and get these into pots next week. I think it might still be cold this week. I think there was a cold front coming. And the other thing I have to do is I've got some cuttings over here that I want to get rooted, and overall I'm very excited about the cut flower garden. I've never done that. I think it's going to be really fun. I have got so many rose bushes. All of those in plastic over there is roses. Over here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 roses as well. I've got herbs going. I think it's going to be a fun season. It's not what I originally planned. I figured this beautiful large garden. Which one? What rock? I had this beautiful large vegetable garden in mind, but plans change, and I would rather plant later or transplant from pots than have to water a garden that's about 1 kilometer from where I'm staying, because that's just not feasible for me with my kids, with homeschooling, with running a business as well. So that's the plan. Let's see where it goes. I'm gonna pack these away. I'm gonna pack those away. I'm gonna start filling my tubs. I'm gonna get some seedlings going. Thank you for joining the journey. Thank you for being here today. And to all the new subscribers, thanks for popping by.